Hi, sixth graders, Mr. Kerr here, and we are getting into week 6. Yes, we're already into week 6. So a couple of things I want to let you know about. First of all, a really important date for our school, all of you, all of us, is this Thursday, October 1st, is called the weekly count day. And you will see this folder in your week 6 that says open this folder on Thursday, October 1st, not before. Try and we want you to complete. It's a little survey quiz thing that I need you to complete on Thursday. So you're watching this, know that you need to, regardless of what your other schedule is, on Thursday you need to log into social studies and complete the beginning of a civilization survey that you're going to find in there. Okay, it kind of looks like a big week. Not too much stuff actually. Please go through this vocabulary assignment very, very carefully. Make sure you follow the directions. There are 7 vocab words. You're doing all 7. You're going to do 2 definitions plus a picture. So just set up a Word document or a chart that you can put in both the definition you find from the dictionary, your own definition as best as you can define it, and then the picture. And go through all of these. You're going to talk about your Stella, and then this discussion, take me out to the ball game. All right, so yeah, that's it. Really important that you are logging in on Thursday and taking that quiz. There's no weekly quiz other than the survey quiz. Also, for all middle schoolers, Wednesday at 10 o'clock, if you want to all come together. I know it's required for the full-time JVA middle schoolers, but everyone else, grab the link and you're welcome to come in. And we're learning about the Mayans this week, and discussion boards. Yeah, we have a discussion board coming up. Really make sure that you're doing a really good post early in the week, and then you can go back and do your replies later on and all that good stuff. All right? If you have any questions, let me know. You know how to get a hold of me. Look, it's right there. That's how you get a hold of me. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great week 6. I will talk to you soon. Parent-teacher conference is coming up a week from Thursday, I think. So, thanks.